Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about past simple tense. The past simple tense is sometimes called the preterite tense. We can use several tenses and forms to talk about the past, but the past simple tense is the one we use most often. How do we make the past simple tense? There are two basic structures for the past simple tense. 1. Positive sentences. Form: subject plus verb, past simple plus object. For positive sentences, there is no auxiliary verb. The main verb is conjugated in the past simple, invariable, ed, or irregular. For example, I went to school yesterday. She bought a car last weekend. 2. Negative sentences. Form: subject plus did plus not plus verb, base form plus object. The auxiliary is conjugated in the past simple, invariable, did. The main verb is invariable in base form, base. For negative sentences, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and main verb. For example, I didn't go to school yesterday. She didn't buy a car last weekend. 3. Question sentences. Form: did plus subject plus verb, base form plus object. The auxiliary is conjugated in the past simple, invariable, did. The main verb is invariable in base form, base. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the auxiliary verb. For example, did you go to school yesterday? Did she buy a car last weekend? How do we use the past simple tense? We use the past simple tense to talk about an action or a situation, an event, in the past. The event can be short or long. Here are some short events with the past simple. The car exploded at 9:30 a.m. yesterday. She went to the door. We did not hear the telephone. Did you see that car? Here are some long events with the past simple tense. I lived in Bangkok for 10 years. The Jurassic period lasted about 62 million years. We did not sing at the concert. Did you watch TV last night? Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.